Hey guys, welcome to this video. I'm Prajwal from Indie Crypto, and inside today's video we're looking at some of the important cryptocurrency updates in India and around the world. To begin with, as we had previously reported, ETHX India and BTCX India are halting their operations, and BTCX India in specific is halting operations in March. So if you have any funds in ETHX India or BTCX India, today would be the last date for you to go ahead and withdraw your funds if you have not already done it, and after that they would go ahead and close their operations. And I also received an email today from CoinSecure saying that they would be halting the two-factor authentication using Authy. Now Authy was a two-factor authentication app, very similar to Google Authenticator, but CoinSecure feels that there is a high chance of attacks when Authy and an SMS OTP is used for securing your account. So that is the reason they will be only using Google Authenticator from here on for any kind of two-factor authentication. And if you're somebody who has an account on CoinSecure and has Authy enabled for two-factor authentication, I highly recommend you log in and go ahead and change it to Google Authenticator, because I think Google Authenticator has become a standard two-factor authentication tool across all cryptocurrency exchanges in India. So using that would definitely make some sense. And also I highly recommend you check out our video where we say how to back up your Google Authenticator in case if you damage your phone or lose it. So in case you don't go ahead and move from Authy to Google Authenticator on CoinSecure, then after 5th March, that's today, you might have to contact CoinSecure and go through a verification process to access your own account. So I highly recommend you go ahead and change to Google Authenticator at the earliest. And looks like the more coins are getting added in the Indian exchanges. So this time it's again BitBNS who are launching Bitcoin Cash, Dash, Siacoin and Dogecoin. These are the 4 coins that BitBNS is adding, and I did go ahead and check out their website. It's not currently added, but hopefully they have announced it on Twitter, and I think hopefully it should be there very soon. So they already have a lot of coins offered at the moment, and adding these 4 coins will actually make BitBNS one of the most coin offering exchanges in India. So if you've not already registered for BitBNS, I suggest you go ahead and register with them, because registration is free, and get your KYC verified, and you never know which coin you might be interested in future. You can go ahead and buy it whenever you're interested. Moving on, there was a survey that was conducted by Lend EDUs, and they went ahead and created a survey and surveyed a lot of people on using an Amazon based cryptocurrency, and more than I think 58% of the Prime users, Amazon Prime users, said they would definitely consider using something like an Amazon coin, which would be a cryptocurrency if it came from Amazon. And about 45% of the people are open to possibly using Amazon as their primary bank account. So does this mean that Amazon is coming up with their own cryptocurrency? You never know. We may not accept it because there's no official statement from Amazon themselves. So it's just basically a survey, and looks like people are interested in going ahead. There was also a report that Starbucks is also looking out in launching their own crypto coin. Again, it might be speculation. There's no official announcement from Starbucks yet. So let's wait and see how these big e-commerce giants go ahead and utilize blockchain, and if they do, it's definitely very good for the adoption. Moving on, the interest of cryptocurrency seems to be growing rapidly around the world, and this time it's Kazakhstan, where the interest in cryptocurrency has jumped 15-fold from mid last year to this year. So there are a lot of young people who are looking into cryptocurrency for the means of payments and getting paid, and a lot of people are also doing searches online, especially from Kazakhstan, to know more about cryptocurrency. So there are a lot of specific keywords I think they've been mentioned here, is Bitcoin and what is blockchain, and simple words for dummies, and can a schoolboy work for Bitcoin, and about mining as well. So that clearly indicates that the cryptocurrency is catching up slowly in every country in the world, and I think it's just a matter of time that cryptocurrency becomes a global currency where everybody are aware of it and everybody starts using it as a means of transaction. And moving on, cryptocurrency popularity is also bringing out other news as well, where around 600 Bitcoin mining computers were stolen in Iceland. Now, a total of 11 people have been arrested, and this is said to be the biggest burglary or theft that's been ever reported in Iceland. This has to do with the value that cryptocurrencies are holding nowadays. So I think that's the reason they are going ahead and stealing these computers which were used for Bitcoin mining in a hope that they would get some Bitcoins. So this is one of the main reasons I always suggest people to go ahead and use wallets, especially hardware wallets, if you're looking out to invest for a longer period of time and huge volumes in cryptos, to avoid these kind of issues, because the computers, phones, even hardware wallets for that matter, are just some devices that anybody can steal and try to get your cryptos out of it. So it's always recommended to store it in an offline device as much as possible, and also have two-factor authentication set up, and also have your backup phrases backed up and kept it safely. In case of any unforeseen situations, you can always go ahead and recover your cryptos. So those were some of the important news that's been happening around the crypto space. Hope you enjoyed this video. So if you did, please give us a like and also subscribe to the channel, and also share your comments about the video in the comment section below. So that's it in this video, and I'll see you very soon in the next one.